Action.
It's me, Daniel, and we will go on free play.
For what game, Daniel? What game is it?
It's the episode 1 in the first level.
Of Star Wars, the complete saga?
Complete saga. Okay, we will skip this. Don't get close, and then we will do this. And smash that. And come out there and fight Daddy droids. And we will go here and fight them droids. We will fight lots of droids. Okay, this is for C3PO. And you can use TC14 for that too. Go far away. And I forgot to put my extras on.
Very good. Very good. That concludes this video.